What's going on, everybody? We are back. We are here. The market is, well, that's not the market. We got to go on the right screen before we see what the market's doing. The market is, it's mixed today. It's okay, though. AMC turning back to the downside, sitting at 1346. Shiba Inu coin down a little bit. GameStop sitting down here at 1.62% lower. And the SPY turning back over right now, sitting at 375.85 at the moment. We've got Pudgy first in the chat by a long shot. BE1ST. Best, baby. Oh, yeah. Did he do that? Received my Cryptide today from BBIG. Very nice. Did he do that? Dustin, what's going on? Dustin Sanchez. Don't see your name too often. Keith, what's going on? Good morning, Dustin. Tin Fish. AMC Squeeze soon. We hope so, Tin Fish. The squeeze is always happening tomorrow. FIRST. Samanino, first in the chat, man. See good morning to you. Kalani, Nate, good morning. Pika Bauer is second. I like it, Pika. CZ just said in an interview with Bankless that he supports the Luna 1.2% burn proposal. Recording is on Twitter. RC, very nice, man. I absolutely hope that we could see some massive burns coming in for Ethereum Classic there and really reduce the supply. And it's going to start with the big players, man. And Binance is definitely a big player. So hopefully we can get some burns going on there for sure. Guys, we're still in boxed. Box is basically sitting break even today. And then we did play some SPY puts this morning. And we did end up getting out. So we were down for a minute as the SPY bounced up here, and then it started to come back down and up about 100% at this point, unfortunately. Put a stop loss on there and still made, it was about 25%. Still made just under about 25% when it started to kick back up here, and I don't know what it looks like on this chart. What was about the 5-minute chart? Yeah, probably on this little wick right here. Either this little wick right here or this one right here. Ended up getting out, and it does seem to be turning back over right now. Hey, dude, money's money, though. What'd Frank say the other day? Nobody ever lost money, only taking profits. That is absolutely right, Frank. Samanino, Paul, first in the chat today. Everybody's first in the chat today. I love it. Tin Fish, heck yeah, man. Squeezes tomorrow, my friend. Oh, well, look at that side. It's still a scam, if not more so. Where's Cryptide at today? I have not seen Cryptide today, but let's take a look at our good old buddy Cryptide and BBIG. TYDE. Oh my god. Yeah. So we got Cryptide sitting down here, bouncing off $1.40 this morning, and currently sitting at $1.55. Brutal action in Cryptide since its debut. Look at this beautiful thing here. We're going to get it $6 and no, you're not. It's going to open up at $3 and do nothing but go down with 3 million and 1.5 million shares being traded there. And then where's BBIG at today? BBIG still down another 7% today. Looking to retest those lows from yesterday, potentially $1.20. Yeah, look, dude, I would be upset, man. I would be upset with BBIG people that are out there and running that deal. That is not something that looks pretty legit to me. So I definitely would be a little upset with those guys that are out there. And I don't know what you guys want to watch. Want to watch Bitcoin down here at the bottom left? You want to watch the SPY? What do you guys want to do down in the bottom left of the screen right now? Today's Dragon. Looking forward to the weekend. Kalani, nice long weekend. Guys, we will not be live on Monday. The market is going to be closed on Monday. Hope everybody has a wonderful 4th of July celebration, no matter what you guys are doing, hanging out with family and friends, going to watch fireworks, whatever you guys got going on. Clearly, everybody, always stay safe, all that good stuff and all that, but have fun too. Right, that's the best thing that you can do. Cryptide today, baby. Well, we got to see Cryptide going up before we get too excited about it. Hey, Kalani, 5,000% gain. Well, did he do that? My Cryptide was worth 3 cents, and I still had 5,000% gain. Well, did he do that? I don't know whose Cryptide was only worth 3 cents. But if you hit a 5,000% gain on your Cryptide, I'm very happy that you hit a 5,000% gain on your Cryptide. That would be amazing. The word out there is that we are MOASing on Monday. Samanino, I will definitely MOAS on Monday, man. I will MOAS on Monday for sure. Market open, market closed. I don't care. We're hitting the MOAS on Monday, ladies and gentlemen. Wouldn't that be hilarious? Wouldn't that be hilarious? If if they pulled some like Indian stock exchange rules and they had a holiday scheduled, and then all of a sudden they opened the stock market for like 3 minutes to let AMC trade, and AMC shot up and MOAS'd and then came back down, and you guys weren't paying attention on Monday. Oh, man. You know, I don't know if we could do that here in the U.S., but they do that. And I've seen it done. And like the Sensex and the Nifty 50 Indian Stock Exchange over there in India, yeah, they'll have a holiday scheduled, and then they'll just open the session for like half a day or something and let stocks trade during the holiday session. And could you imagine if they did that? Could you imagine if AMC did MOAS on Monday? They opened for like a half hour, and they let all 100 million shares trade and then come back down in price. Could you imagine the uproar? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I think that would be the breaking point for retail investors. I think it would send them over the edge, and I think that the SEC would be done for. It would be a bad situation. BBIG will see $3 again someday, but who knows? Yeah, Swole, look, I agree that it probably will see $3 again someday, man. But you're right. Who knows? We've got to get this overall market to turn around as well. BBIG has gotten the crap beaten out of it, but several times, man. It has seen some massive gains. So I don't know if they were stringing people along this whole time with Cryptide, and that's why you saw these massive gains over the couple years there. But the overall stock market, man, is still continuously getting beat to death. And I do think that even BBIG is going to see 3+ when we start to see them bull runs again. Anyone else think that Bitcoin is going to drop to 15,000, Ethereum 600? Just haven't already. I'm sick of waiting. Let's just hit the bottom so we can move on with our richer lives. Hey, Black Sun, dude. Heck yeah. I do. So I actually think that Bitcoin is going to go below 15. I think Bitcoin's going to test 10,000 at some point. And whether or not it holds 10,000 is yet to be seen. The only way that I really don't see it hitting 15,000 and 10,000 is if CPI data comes out on July 13th and it's a phenomenal reversal. So we're talking 8.6% inflation currently, and the July reading comes out and maybe it's like 6.2%, which I don't see that happening. I don't see prices dropping anywhere. So, but if it did, I would say that we could get a pretty good shock. Now, if the August reading comes out and it's rising again, that's a different story. But if we start to see falling inflation, I'm going to start to say, okay, well, maybe we're comfortable with this area being a bottom here. But, dude, we got a lot going on, man. We got a lot going on to the downside. My phone said Tor is squeezing, and it went from 50 cents to over $1, but can't find it on Webull. T-O-U-R. Tor right here, man. What do you mean you can't find it on Webull? Yeah, I don't know if it's necessarily squeezing today. It's up 10% today. But you are right, man. It went from about 51 cents 5 days ago, and it has jumped up to $1.25 today. Interesting. So this stock was not even on my radar, man, but it has had a crazy week right here. It happened 45 cents is the low, touching basically 51, 52 cents last week, like 5 days ago. And today has been, well, today it's not doing too bad. It's up 10% today. But the real story is where it was last week to where it is today. And dude, what would this be? 150% gain? 150% gain, dude, going from 50 cents to $1.25 is not bad at all. This stock was not even on my radar, but it is now, and it's on Webull. I don't know if it's tradable on Webull. I don't know if it's over the counter or not, since it was down there. It doesn't look like it is, but you can find it on Webull right there. Right there, my friend. Samanino, you just gotta look harder. Not on my watch. Kid Witty, heck yeah. He said, doo-doo, man. When I received my Cryptide, my cost basis was 3 cents per share. Did he do that? I don't know how you walked away with a 3 cent per share cost basis. That seems extremely low. You would probably want a higher cost basis, though. I mean, you really would. You would want a higher cost basis, so then anytime you take your profit, you'd be booking a loss instead of a 5,000% gain. BBIG has over 19% shorted still. Yeah, that's really high. I mean, that's still the same percentage as AMC. Wow, Ethereum got hit hard in the past month. I only have 1/3 of the value of my account since the last time I looked. Yeah, roulette wheel, dude. I'm telling you, everything has been getting hit hard over the last month. Bitcoin losing 30%, and in Ethereum, it's Shiba. Ethereum down here in the last month, 6-1. Yeah, dude, basically losing 50% of its value right here, going from $2,000 per coin to $1,000 per coin. Very, very tough to see that. But if you're talking 2 months ago, going from $3,500 down to $1,000, I think that we can see, I think we can see Ethereum back down at $100 per coin. Like, look at this. This is a daily chart here. All we need to see is one more stretch like this. One more stretch like this, and Ethereum's down here at $100. That's it. Just this stretch right here is all we need to see on Ethereum. Boom. And it could happen in a week's time frame. Boom. Just dropping back down to 100, 150, $200 right here. And in Bitcoin as well, guys. We know that we've got a lot of lines on Bitcoin here as we're trending and trading in these channels. But Bitcoin being a little volatile today, going between $20,700 and back down here to $19,000 per coin. But it's still looking to the downside to me. And if this bottom end of the range that we were in at the end of 2020, is broken, there's a very good chance, I think, that we hit this level down here in the $10,000 range. So crypto having a very hard go of it at the moment. Scroll down to the bottom, catch back up. What do we got? Let's go apes. Boring morning. Payday got me wanting to buy something. Chris, what are you going to buy, man? That's the question. What's Chris going to buy today? Can't wait to vote. Yeah, there you go. Swole Team 6. Well, at least you're going to get to vote, man. Crypto George says stay away from Lunk. He has bought his Bitcoin 11 years ago, and he is a seasoned crypto investor. Look, dude, here's my thoughts on that. Yeah, people probably told him to stay away from Bitcoin 11 years ago as well. There's no doubt in my mind that they told him to stay away from Bitcoin 11 years ago. Stay away from Lunk if you guys are not inclined to risk. If you can't handle risk, stay away from Lunk. George Fellows is correct. Now, if you do like risk, okay, and you do want to see some either very strong gains or very strong losses, why you gotta stay away from Lunk, man? Take a chance. Take a chance. It is a chance, yes, but not to stay away, because Georgie boy says stay away. Come on now. We know we don't have to do that. Where's the SPY? Oh, there's the SPY. 375.22 actually coming back down a little bit. Man, I would have been back down here. Actually, I don't know what these options are at right now. I don't even know what I got out on those options. They're probably about where I got out, unless the theta decay is killing them right now, which is in all likelihood possible because those options expired today that I was messing around with. So that is possible. Let's see here. Surprise! Shib trash in the red. Yawn. Malone Lab. Shib trash is in the red. Bitcoin trash is in the red. Ethereum trash is in the red. Everything except Biora Therapeutics, Sundial, and Mullen Auto and Netflix would not be trash today. Everything else. Oh, Clovis. Clovis is definitely not trash today. Guys, look at this bad boy here. Clovis Therapeutics, or Clovis Oncology, whatever it is. I don't know which one it is. We got into this here at 94 cents. Back here on, it was a Wednesday. And then this Tuesday, sold at $2.15. It pulled back nicely. And what do you know? Has been rallying ever since. Hit the same level of resistance and is starting to come back down right now. But we are right where we exited this position here. So we actually would have been better off if we would have just held it for another week to see it go back up to $2.50. But today's gains have been awesome. in Clovis, man. Today's gains have been awesome. Really no pullback at all until you touch this 250 level, and then you clearly had a pullback. But man, it would have been hard to sit on these gains at all here, not even seeing a single pullback in Clovis this morning. Very strong gains there. Don't know if any of you guys are playing it or not, but I do not have any more. As we know, I've got Boxed, which is doing absolutely nothing, trading on low volume. And it needs to pick back up, man, because we want to see this bad boy curl back over and go to the upside. We don't want to see it go to the downside. What kind of nonsense is that? We need gains, not losses. Stock up on ETH if it goes that low. Oh, Paul, yeah, I will be. I will be. I'm not going to stock up on one single coin, though. It's not like I'm going to go in and add 10 Bitcoin and only be riding Bitcoin. Or stock up and, dude, if it goes down to $100, go in and buy, like, I don't know, 50 or 500 Ethereum and try to walk away only hitting Ethereum. I will diversify and load up at those levels if things do continue to deteriorate. But yeah, you're gonna have to grab some Ethereum and some Bitcoin, man. Come on, if Bitcoin goes down to like $2,000, you guys gotta go grab a full Bitcoin. Roulette wheel, George from Crypto RS could be roulette wheel. Who we talking about there? They also said stay away from Bitcoin 11 years ago, and look what happened. Yeah, clear, bro. I am, and look, Francisco Garcia Jr. Very good, man. Very good. You know, you gotta wonder. In there's nothing wrong with not being in Luna Classic or Luna 2.0. If you don't have the risk tolerance for it, right? I mean, everybody can understand that not everybody's suited to worry about waking up the next morning and their asset being up 50% or down 50%. So Luna Classic definitely isn't for everybody. We get that. Bitcoin was not for everybody. And whether or not you didn't know about it in 2010 or you decided to not invest in it when it was sitting at $100 per coin and beginning to trade on some centralized exchanges, people make decisions all the time, man. Some of them turn out very well, some of them don't. Roulette wheel saw that. It's Clay, I'll let you pick. A few more AMC, a few more Tilray, or a lot more Shiba. Oh, Chris, man, I can't pick, dude. I can't pick. Let the chat pick if you want. I can't pick, but dude, I think all of them. I don't even know if you wanna diversify through all of them there. But clearly, Shiba's sitting pretty steady at this 1,000 point per coin range, which is nice. I think it can go lower. AMC actually holding very steady and actually on the incline here over the last like 2 weeks, going from this 1150 to 1350 level, but also has been very steady. Tilray, I have actually not looked at Tilray in a while. I don't know what they're doing. Now, Tilray's a different story, man. Tilray has been getting beat pretty hard, and you could probably get a decent average down. Tilray being at a level of support here in this $3 range. But remember, these marijuana stocks are going to be very, very, I guess, correlated to whether or not we get some news about the legalization of marijuana in the news. And if people start talking about it again, if they want to legalize it, we could absolutely see a nice little rally here. And I don't think it would be that hard to watch it double from this $3 mark. But it has been trending drastically lower since the, oh man, was it Congress that passed it and went to the Senate or whatever? But we had a lot of news back here in March about legalization, and boom, popped up very quickly from $5 to about $10 per share. And nobody's been talking about it recently, so it has been on the decline. But what do you guys think, man? Help Chris out. Chris needs some help there. Which one should he be getting into? A little bit of all? AMC, Tilray, a lot of Shiba. What's up? Diversified. I dated her back in the day. Ooh, nice, Paul. People make mistakes too. Heck yeah, Pudgy. All the time. Clear, bro, do you ever do stop loss or just go all in and out? No. So Momo, it depends, man. What I'm trading or what I'm investing in. I don't have any stop losses on the investments that I'm willing to hold. But for example, I think it's been every day since maybe last Friday. I'm not sure. every day this week for sure. I have day traded SPY options, and every time, well, one time I just booked profits, but yes, I put a stop loss on those. One, because SPY options, they move so stinking fast, dude. You can be up 100%, and then 3 minutes later, you can be down 40%. So because they move so fast, you have to be a little bit more conservative. And also, because they move so fast, and theta decay literally kills any value if you wait towards the end of the day, if those options are expiring within the next day or two, or the day of. Theta decay could absolutely kill you. So I do use stop losses on those. And the last like 3 times that I've traded them, the stop loss has been hit. What I have been doing is it goes up. Today, like I'll just use today as an example. Today it was up about 100%. It was like 98% on some SPY puts. And where are we at here? I gotta look at a 5-minute because I was watching the 5-minute. So I was in some SPY puts in this area, right in here. It was very, very nice. So riding it down from here to about here, just going from like I don't actually know where the exact entry was, but let's just say 377. Could have been 376.80 or so. But in this range right here, riding it down to here, dude, this was a 100% gain. Just going from 376 to 374. It was a 100% gain on those puts. I did not take the 100% gain, but instead I guaranteed myself some money. And unfortunately, it did end up coming back. If it never turned back around and bounced off these levels, it would have been phenomenal to continue riding it down and just let that winner run. But knowing that theta decay was going to kill me if the afternoon went on, and even if it trades sideways, you're going to get killed. I had that stop loss on there. Ended up exiting with roughly, it was between 25 and 30%. 25 and 30% gain as it ticked back up, and it may, I don't know which candle it ticked on or tapped on, but it either tapped in this area on this candle or this green candle right here would have tapped, and then, which was a great thing because I probably would have been down about 20 or 30% in this area and where these wicks were touching here. Now, honestly, I don't even know what the options are trading at right now, but I'd probably be in the break-even range. Even though I had gotten in higher on those puts than where we are right now, it would still probably be breaking even because of theta decay and time value, killing the value of those options right there. So, yes, if I'm trading, if I'm going to do that, and I can guarantee some profit, definitely I'm using a stop loss. You kick yourself if it taps back up and then turns back over and immediately goes back down. But, I mean, the best thing you can do is guarantee yourself some profits, man, and trade again. I can trade again on Tuesday, right? Trade again on Tuesday. And the good news is, if it did just continue to run, dude, it's perfect, man. Let it run. Let it run all day. Not all day, though, because if you let it run all day, theta will kill you. I'd let it run. If it expires that day, I'd let it run until maybe noon, maybe 1 o'clock if you think it's going to roll, but it's going to get pretty sensitive to the downside after 1 o'clock, especially if it's not in the money. Let's watch Bitcoin down here. Let's see. Sup, Clay? What you been on Terrarium token? It's deflationary token, 3% burn tax. Magic. I'm gonna be honest, man. A lot of people come in here and look and ask about it, but I really don't know. I have not kept up on Terrarium. I've never really looked into it. I don't know anything about the community or their projects or anything like that they've got going on. Okay, let the chat vote. Buy more AMC, more Tilray, more Shiba, something new. There we go. Pika says Shiba, hashtag Shib Army. We got some Shibs coming in the chat. Only 2 people said something, so we got 2 Shibs for right now. Chris, check out. No, Chris, do not check out Farmy. Farmy's a piece of junk, dude. Don't listen to Paul on that one. Paul, if I could reach out and smack you for saying that. Chris, don't check out Farmy. I'm telling you right now, dude, don't do it. Farmy, nope, don't check it out. I don't even care if Farmy goes back up to like $3 per share. Still don't check it out, man. Don't check it out. It's probably going to end up going to 30 cents a share. Thoughts on Vroom? Did he do that? I do have some Vroom options, okay? The only reason I am in Vroom, People say it's got a nice short interest. People say it's a potential runner. Where are we at here? I do not have it on the watch list, but it's gotta be out here. Yeah, vroom. Look, very volatile, man, and it has come back down a little bit from where it was hitting those gains. Now, with everybody talking about it, I wanted to expose myself to the upside. So, got some options. If they don't hit, they don't hit. I don't really care. Not something that I'm terribly interested in investing in, but with the amount of people that are trying to hype it up and coming to the live stream saying it's the next Revlon, saying it's the next Short Squeeze, saying it's the next mover, I did get some exposure to the upside, but I don't know anything about the numbers, and I'm just taking a chance on it in case it makes something happen, man. Simple as that. Chris, thank you for the super chat. Chris says, bought more AMC. Now 19 million Shiba. Boom, baby. Chris is one of those Shibillionaires, man. He's one of those Shiba Inu coin millionaires. And Chris is stacking. Very nice, man. And Chris, thank you for the diamond-handed ape super chat there. Really appreciate you, man. And glad to see you stacking. Buy more AMC, dude. Bring your average, I would assume, still down, right? Because you're not in the green yet. But bring your average down a little bit. And not a bad choice, because AMC has been steadily trending higher over the last 2 months. So that is good to see on this support here. And we know that 1450 is a major level of resistance. If we do get to break through this 1450, you're going to be very happy that you bought those shares of AMC there, because we could absolutely run back up to 20 bucks rather quickly if we do break through 1450. It's just going to be tough, man. It's going to be tough to break out like that with the overall market getting trashed day after day after day. So, obviously, we're going to keep our eyes on it, though. Samadino says, hey, Pika. Hey, Simon. Hey, Simon. Oh, yeah. What's up? Hey, Clay. Dude, hey, Clay, right here. In Shiba we trust. Francisco. Yeah. Look, dude, I know a lot of people don't like that Shiba's been coming down for quite some time. But what the thing that I trust about Shiba Inu coin is, dude, when this coin runs, freaking runs, man. It ran from 800 points per coin to 3,500 points per coin in 3 days. 3 little days right here. After trading very, very stagnant for quite some time. In 3 days, runs to 3,500. And then after breaking 3,500, had a nice run up to 3,500 in a 2-day period. But, dude, after breaking 3 days, runs all the way up to 8,800 points per coin. So massive gains very quickly. And, unfortunately, the entire market has been getting brutalized since this run up. I mean, it's going to coincide in literally everything on cryptocurrency, man. The charts will look slightly different, but you can see we got, I don't know what the peak is, November 10th in that area. The last week of October here, the last day of October maybe. And then if you're looking at Bitcoin, you've got Bitcoin peaking out on November 10th as well. So very, very steep declines across all crypto since the first to second week of November. But one day, man, one day those gains are going to return, and every single one of us, we're all going to make out on these gains here, because we are not going away during the bear market. We are here to stay. Pika Power! On set, Pika. This is On Set with Pika right here, right now. On Set with Pika. What do we got going on? We've got the computers. That's all we got. That's all we got going on right there. That's all we got going on right now on set. Nothing special. Thank you very much for the super chat, Pika Power. Appreciate that. And guys, if you did not know, Pika's a queen. And I'm the king. I am the king. Shibarium soon. Let's get it. Remy, yes, Shibarium is got to be released by the end of September, man. By the end of September, Shibarium will be released. I'm depressed AF today, but I'm glad you're going live this morning, brother. Little Tim. Tell me, man. Tell me. Why are you depressed, dude? The price action got you down? Is it the price action? Because if it is the price action, I feel you, man. I feel you. It happens to me, too. The only thing that I can do is remind myself that this is a long-term game, and you have to stay focused on the future. And really, once you start to convince yourself that the future is still bright, these prices, man, these prices are going to look like opportunity instead of problem. Thanks for answering our question, Clay. But you should really check out Terrarium. How many chances do we get to invest in the birth of a new exchange and a quarter through the launch of the new exchange? Yeah, Magic Shroom. You don't, man. You don't. I mean, you've had Pancake Swap come along. I'm assuming it's a decentralized exchange, right? Uniswap comes along. You've got Sushi Swap that's out there. You got Shiba Swap that's out there. You got Binance. You got Crowcoin. You got a lot of the VGX and Voyager. You've got a lot of these exchanges that do very well if they can gather up users. So I absolutely think, man, if their exchange is something that people flock to, they will be successful. Exchange coins are something that I am interested in adding more of once I feel comfortable getting back in and adding to positions there and feel comfortable that the market may be closer to a bottom. Legend from 81. Talk about Classic. What do you want to talk about, man? You want to talk about the price action? You want to talk about Anonymous investigating Do Kwon? You got to give me something more to talk about. Hey, thoughts on Flow Inu? We're still holding, and I've discussed this in a while. Always holding Flow Inu. Samanino. We'll never sell that. I don't care how much it's worth. Look at Zombie Inu. Nah, CD Wit. No. Is Zombie Inu, is that just another meme token, man? Messing around with the Shiba Inu coin name and stuff? Long-term game? Yeah, I just got to remember that thing. Hey, a little Tim, dude. And here's the thing, too. And this is the part that not a lot of people come to terms with. You're going to have to make a decision, too, whether or not at some point you sell. You know what I mean? Like, let's say that we do stack up for the next 2 years. Let's say we just got this crap luck, and we're sitting on another 2-year bear market, similar to what we had from 2018 to 2020. It's going to be boring, dude. It's going to suck to see the coin prices down, and it will be giving us an opportunity to continue adding to our positions if we so choose. Now, let's say we are able to add, and all of a sudden, we're just going to use numbers. Not everybody has to have a $10,000 portfolio or anything like that. But let's say we've got a $10,000 portfolio nicely diversified between all these coins, and we hit a 100x gain when it starts to run again, maybe in 2024. I'm just throwing numbers out, right? Well, all of a sudden, we're all millionaires. Well, dude, if we don't sell, and it continues to go up, dude, now we all have like $6 million, okay? Because we saw some beautiful gains, reaching new all-time highs, and we weren't afraid to add when the prices were low. What do we do at that point? Do we continue to be crypto millionaires, or do you cash it out and say you're done with crypto at that point? You've got to have an end goal in mind. Is your end goal to be sitting on $5 million worth of Ethereum? Or is your end goal to be sitting on $5 million US and nothing invested at that point? You're going to have to come to that determination when you get there. And you might be less emotional trying to come to that determination now, because, dude, if you got 500,000 sitting in your account, you're gonna be tempted. I'm telling you right now, you're gonna be tempted. What are your thoughts on Ethereum Classic? Mo, I don't know. Ethereum Classic never gets a lot of attention, but Ethereum Classic is actually a decent coin to mine. So I think Ethereum Classic is always going to be around. I think that people are going to be profitable mining Ethereum Classic. But as far as like any of the attention goes, or like a community around it or anything like that, it's probably in the same boat as like Litecoin or Bitcoin Cash or something. Always been here, but never gets a ton of attention. You read through my comments in a one live chat. I've been on Matt Perry's channel. You never answered any of my questions, but I like that guy still, though. Yeah, dude, you can like any guys you want. I guarantee I'll answer more of your questions than that, too. Let's see. And then we can all get on a yacht. Little Tim. Let's do it, man. Remy. Oh, didn't see what Remy said. Started PEXA coin during the bear market. Ryan, how's it going for you, man? Pexa coin at 2019 bear market. You started it. Is it doing well? I don't know anything about Pexa. Eclit holding 1 billion Shib. Do you really see Shib hitting 0.0007 when the market turns around? Yeah, 3 zeros and a 7 would be 10 times what we hit. So hitting 0.0007, I do think is a possibility. Just trying to do the numbers in my head, I think that would be roughly between like a $400 to $500 billion valuation. I could be wrong on where that would be. I might be better off, using a calculator. But that would basically take us to a valuation where Ethereum was at the peak. Do I think that we're going to get there with Ethereum? Do I think we're going to be at the same exact level as Ethereum? Probably not. So I don't know if you're necessarily going to see a valuation like 3 zeros and a 7 right off the bat during the next bull run. That we see Shiba Inu coin 100x from where we currently are just as the next bull run enters. Now, dude, I do believe, I really believe that crypto's got a future. So if you're talking maybe 10 years down the road and the entire cryptocurrency market is sitting on a $20 trillion valuation or a $30 trillion valuation, then yeah, I don't see that being an impossibility at all at that point. But to sport a 400 to $500 billion valuation and surpass all other coins, I would be skeptical of that happening. Muse, crypto, $4 million market cap, 500,000 supply. Ryan, I'll check it out here in a second. But anything with a $4 million market cap, always going to be very risky, guys. That's on Precarium. Dude, anything with Pika in it, I'm game. Quick question, with all the money out there and the dollar going down, if we all become millionaires, would that kind of be like being rich in a less richer country? Yes, Chris. So let's say if the dollar does continue to go down and the dollar does continue to get destroyed, but we are millionaires, think of it, and it probably wouldn't be this drastic, but for every Japanese yen, okay, you get 100 yen for every dollar you have. So if you go to Japan with $10,000, they're going to give you 1,000,000 yen. You're going to be a Japanese millionaire at that point. I don't think that, the dollar is going to decline by 99%. But if it did, it would be like living in a less expensive country or living in a less rich country, but we're all millionaires at that point. You could think the same thing, like if you look at the Brazilian real, you've got roughly 5 for every $1. So if you were sitting on $200,000, if you go to Brazil, you're a millionaire. If you guys can do the exchange rate for literally whatever country you want to do. I think South Africa is probably in the $9 to $10 range. So $100,000 here gets you $1 million in South Africa. I haven't looked at South African rand in a long time. But it would be similar to that, dude. If the value continues to come down and literally everybody's sitting on more dollars at that point, then yeah, think of it similar to that. It's not that exciting to have 1,000,000 yen in Japan because that's the equivalent of having $10,000 here. Muscle and mass, boom, baby. We got the muscle and mass in there right now. Becoming a little bro. You guys know what I want to see right now. 104. Welcome, muscles and mass. And I see you guys are already jumping on it. Heck yeah, Mr. Samanino, Pika Power, Paul. Thank you guys for welcoming muscle and mass in here. And come on, like 4 of you guys saying welcome to Muscle and Mass. Get on it, guys. This is what it's all about. Muscle and Mass. Thank you very much for grabbing that green name. There's a lot more. Why does he have more people in his channel? We need more people in here, guys. Enter the Brick Buster tournament. 5 million for first place, 2 million for second, and I'm in second so far with 23,000 points. It ends tonight. First place guy has 140,000. Sounds fishy to me. Or you just suck, Remy. I don't know. I haven't played Brick Buster, but sounds like that dude's a lot better at the game than you are. I'm just messing. I don't know. I haven't played it. I don't know. I don't know how the points work, but dude, hopefully you do take second place, man. That's sweet. Yo, what's going on, Clay? Cracked sports card. What's going on, man? Remy, hold on. That's a toothpick. Whoop, 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 whoop. A little toothpick coming out of my arm there, coming out of my shoulders. Hopefully AMC will run soon. Need some fireworks for the weekend. Pristine auto dealing facts, man. I want AMC to run, but I think the next exciting run we're going to get is when we break and sustain the level above 1450. I think the technical level there at 1450 is still giving people some trouble, and we want to see that level be broken, man. Hope you guys, Friday's going awesome. It's going great now, Muscle and Mass. Glad to have you getting that green name. And you guys, there you go. Mark saying welcome. Keith saying welcome. Thank you, guys. From Brazil, I'm awaiting for that day. Marcos Garcia. Seja bem-vindo, Marcos Garcia. Tô feliz que você tá aqui. Welcome, Muscle. Heck yeah. There you go, Crack Sports Card. Appreciate everybody that says welcome. We are bros here, and we welcome the new bros to the channel. Doesn't matter if you got a green name. Doesn't matter if you got a blue name. Doesn't matter if you got a gray name. You got to say welcome to Muscle and Mass for grabbing that green name. Welcome again, Muscle and Mass. I did it twice because people are sleeping. Peak of power. I love it. People are sleeping. Wake up. People are sleeping. I guarantee I'm going to look at my likes right now with 110 people in here. There's probably 35 likes. You guys are terrible if this is true. What do we... There's 32 likes in here. You guys wonder why Matt Perry has more people watching his channel, right? Literally 32 of you clicked the like button in the last 41 minutes. I know there's 110 of you in here right now, but if you look at how many people have cycled through, there's already 350. 10% of you guys click the like button. Yeah, 10% of you. Click the like button, dude. I'm leaving. Ryan says, don't forget to check out Muse. Yeah. Let's see what Muse has going on, man. M-U-S-E. I don't know what Muse is, though, so we'll see here. Let's see. This one we talking about, Muse, M-U-S-E, $8.55. This is what we're looking at right here. $8.55, up 20% on the day today. $4 million market cap. 500,000 Muse outstanding. And confirmed to be outstanding by CoinMarketCap. Very nice. And look, rather low prices. So we debuted at the end of 2021 when everybody was making coins because, of course, we had a nice bull run. Why wouldn't you make a coin? This bad boy went from $1, from 10 cents. No. Did it hit 10 cents? Where are we at here? 20 cents. 17 cents. This bad boy went from 17 cents to $113. And since then, it has come down. Yeah, it's back down at $8 right now. But dude, if this coin hit 17 cents again and had the chance to run up to $100, my God. This is the difference, though, guys. This is the difference. Like, look at these gains right here. You would think those gains would never be possible, but when you get into a market and you get people that literally think that coins can never go down, and you might be thinking, well, I'm never going to be that way again. You might not be. But everybody else that's out there right now, not invested in cryptocurrency, everybody that's just sitting on the sidelines, kind of wondering whether or not it's something that they should look at, dude, one day we will get back to a point in time where people think that coins never go down and they only go up, and you're going to see gains like that again. Coins going from 17 cents to $100 per coin, and it's going to be very beautiful. Perry's cool, but Clay is high-powered AC. Dude, Matt Perry is awesome, and Clay's low-powered AC. It's actually probably like 70-some degrees in this room right now. It's a little warmer because it's upstairs. He'll turn this car around. I will turn this car around if you don't hit the like button. Matthew Perry in the house, baby! Oh, yes. Matthew Perry to Pluto. Ahoo! Hey, people, neglect the like button for me, too. I have to ask him at least 5 times a stream. Dude, Matt Perry, I'm telling you, man, at one point, I think I'm just going to, I'm going to check it randomly, and if these people hook me up with, 16 likes, I'm just going to be like, and peace out. I don't know, you guys. You don't click the like button for some reason. I don't know why. Perry in the house, baby. Oh, yes. Might pull over and make you walk home. Ooh, I will pull over, but JB, don't make me walk home, dude. I need a ride. Come on now. Perry in the house, baby. Oh, yes. That's okay. Pika, I want to go grab a soda anyway. I don't even know what that means. You're going to grab a soda. You playing games today, Matthew? Matthew plays games. What games Matthew playing, man? Matt plays games? We can see that, Remy. What did Remy say? Darn it, I missed. Oh, Perry in the house, but yeah. Matt's listening. I love it when Matt's listening, man. Dude, Matt Perry is incredible, guys. If you guys, clearly I think that with the amount of people that are in here and in the subject matter of the content, you guys probably already know who Matt Perry is, and you probably follow him already. But if you don't, the dude's good. So make sure to hit the subscribe button on his channel. And he's got a Discord and Twitter as well, so make sure to check those out too. But I do like Matt Perry, man. Matt Perry is old school. Matt Perry was here from the beginning, so Matt Perry, you're awesome. 70 degrees is cold here in Florida. My house is usually 77. Dude, my house, listen, the first floor is usually at like 68. I don't know what the second floor is, but 88 degrees outside right now. Today I was sitting outside in the shade earlier when I was trading those SPY puts, and it was fine in the shade, but dude, my feet were, and my legs were in the sun. The sun is hot, man. I'm telling you, the sun is just relentless sometimes. So I was staying in the shade, but yeah, 88 degrees is hot here. It's called pop. It is called pop, man. I don't even know what soda is. Once we start making money on crypto, I hit the like button 100 times. Roulette wheel, hit it at least 101 times, man. This dude better not be clicking the... Dude, if you spend that much effort to click it 100 times and you don't click it one time, oh my gosh, dude, you about to catch a hide this user from channel. I'll tell you that right now. Itati, Paul? What does Itati say, man? I don't even know what Itati is. Hey, I think that radar will 100x for sure during the next bull run. Buy you some. Ooh, Tim, somebody in here said something about that either this week or last week, man. I don't know who. I don't know who mentioned that. Somebody talked about that. I tell you one that I am looking to buy here pretty soon is Ravencoin. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I did very well on Ravencoin back in it was the end of 2019, very beginning of 2020. Ravencoin was in this exact range that it's in right now. And then Ravencoin 28x'd from a cent going up to 28 cents, man. It was incredible to watch this happen here. It did hit 28 cents. I don't know why the coin market cap's only got 23 cents on here. It hit 28 cents. Oh yeah, dude. I will have no problem looking here at Ravencoin again. It's already in the range where I don't have a problem with it. But if it does hit this 1 cent, man, it's something that I'm going to be looking at adding in there too, because that was phenomenal riding this bad boy from 1 cent to 28 cents. So that's another one. 28x is not 100x. That's very clear. But Ravencoin is most likely going to do very well, especially after the Ethereum merge takes place. When people are not mining Ethereum anymore, or not mining as many, and they are staking and earning their Ethereum through proof of stake, I do believe that Ravencoin will probably be even better because people will flock to mining Ravencoin and making profit there. So Ravencoin is something you guys should put on your radar if you want to. It's done phenomenal in the past, and we're right back down to those levels where you can see some massive gains. I watch this other guy on YouTube. He always starts with a stream with a poll asking if the user liked the stream. JB, do they say yes or do they say no? In England, they call it crazy suds. Shredder, there's no way they call it crazy suds, dude. If they call it crazy suds, that is awesome. Last week, it was up to like 80%. The DApp radar was? My gosh. So, personally, I know the developers of Ravencoin. My coin Pexa was actually their first to implement their... Oh, wow. Ryan, very cool, man. Very cool. Pexa. I've never seen Pexa. And that's awesome that you know the developers of Ravencoin, dude. I started mining Ravencoin end of 2019. Pexa. All right, so I don't see Pexa on CoinMarketCap, so I'm not able to look at it here, but... Very sweet that you know the developers of Ravencoin. Man, I like Ravencoin. It's something I'm going to be adding into a little bit more, especially if we continue down just another cent. I know 1 cent, it's still a 50% decline to get down to that range, but why not test my luck twice, you know? Why not test my luck twice? Speak of days for good and live, just random, hardly catch them. Oh, no, man. So, Pitho Mashiani, I go live twice a day, every day during the week. So, usually around 11:50 a.m. Eastern Time and 3:50 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday. I'm live twice a day, every day during the week. Weekends, I do not go live. I post 3 videos every day as well, but I post 3 videos 7 days a week. So you can catch the videos literally every day, live streams every day, twice a day during the week. When AMC hit 20 again, Swole Team 6. We got AMC hitting $20 per share again. You know what we're going to do? It's going to be a slow day today. I'm not too optimistic about it today. Monday, probably here. We're going to get a break. We're going to get a break next week. When we get that break, I would say AMC to 20. Let's get AMC back up to 20 before we get to this line right here. Let's see if it happens. Let's see if it happens. AMC to 20 before whatever date that was. That gives us a little time to break out and not enough time to get blasted. Ooh, you know what? That is enough time to get blasted. All right, so look, this is July 14th. This is a risk, man. This is a risk. July 14th is going to be the day after CPI data is released. So, gosh, this is going to be a tough call, man. This is going to be a tough call. I put it here on the 14th. I was hoping it was actually before the 13th. But being the 14th, this would indicate that if we do get negative CPI or good CPI data around the same time that AMC breaks out of this 1450 resistance, we could see a nice run up. Now, because I put this afterwards, dude, we could come up here and we could be tapping the $20 mark, and then we get CPI on the 13th, come right back down to 1450 if Jerome Powell realizes he has no idea what he's doing. So, dang, I should have put that on like the 12th or something, but it's on the 14th, so we're going to have to watch and see what happens there. It could come right back down. Love your enthusiasm, helps me through my work. Hey, Ryan, good deal, man. Good deal. Look, I don't know. I do try to stay enthusiastic. I do try to stay optimistic, but clearly, clearly it's tough to watch everything red too. I feel the same way. I have that longer term look, or try to keep that longer term look. Can I avoid getting taxed if I reinvest my realized gains, or is that only when reinvesting dividends? So Diddy, first of all, Diddy, you're in Canada, right? I have no idea what that looks like. But unfortunately, I don't think you can avoid taxes on realized gains. Once they're realized, man, I think they come to get you. I think they come knocking on your door once they're realized. But for some reason, I'm thinking you're in Canada, and if you're in Canada, I don't know if that's the same thing or not. Hey Clay, are we heading towards a bull run? So Mukram Basha. I hope so, and yes, every day we are heading towards a bull run. Every day that passes by, we're one day closer to a bull run. But it doesn't mean that this bear run isn't going to continue on in the meantime. We got a lot of news out there that has not been good, and until the news starts to turn good, I would imagine we're not going to see that bull run come to be. Let's see. Shiba Inu to Pluto, new foe. Mukram, be prepared for a couple-year bear. I hope it doesn't last a couple years, and I hope the stock market doesn't last a couple years. The crypto market, however, I think the crypto market could last a while there. Lunk in a wallet, please talk about this. How to store Lunk. So XL cap, are you talking how to store it like on a ledger? Are you talking how to store it on like a trust wallet? What are you talking about? As opposed to just like your centralized exchange, or what's the goal there? My goal is to make $500 a day trading, buying a Tesla option, or load up heavy on penny stocks for a quick in and out. When I hit 500, close it. I close the laptop and I'm done. Wayne Grow, you know another way to do that? Dude, I don't want to say fairly simply. But if you're not trading a ton of money, SPY options that have a close expiration or literally expire that day, they're wild, dude. They're wild. You could make $500 a day or lose $500 a day trading $500. Like, you only need a half a percentage point move in the SPY to see 100% move in SPY options. So that could be another thing that you could look at, not just penny stocks, but you got to be careful, man. You got to be careful. If you could literally make or lose 50% in a single day, every single day, it can bite you very quickly, but that's another thing you could look at. Let's see here. I have not tried to send Lunk to a MetaMask or anything. Does anybody in here have experience sending Lunk to a decentralized wallet? If you do, help out XL Cap 69 right now. Good CPI, yeah. JB, I was not making a joke, man, but good CBI data does sound like a punchline to me as well. A lot of contracts expire on the 15th for AMC. How many contracts, and what do we got expiring? They could be in the money. AMC Trapper. I want to see a little gamma run. I want to see a little gamma run on AMC. That would be beautiful. Could you imagine if CPI did come out and it was actually good, and then all these options that expire on the 15th, we run on the 13th because of good CPI data, and then we start a little gamma squeeze because we ran up to $20 or so, and we saw a gamma squeeze happen the next week, and we're back in the 30s. Just like that, man. Just like that. We had a good CPI release followed by a bunch of guys who were betting on AMC options, and all of a sudden it turns into a nice 1 week long rally. Always love your stream, but your meows drive me nuts. Probably a slow holiday weekend in the crypto market. Joyce, you know you love the meows. You know you love the meows. Let's see. Click. What do I switch to from Coinbase? I'm tired of it. Cracked sports cards, man. You got a link in the description below for Voyager. You're gonna get, actually, if you sign up for Voyager and make a $100 trade, you're gonna get $50 in Bitcoin for making that $100 trade. Honestly, right now at this point in time, centralized exchanges are all on edge. And everybody's wondering which centralized exchange is going to go down next, man. Which one is not going to be able to meet their short-term obligations and stuff. So centralized exchanges do have a little bit more risk inherent with them right now than they have in the past because cryptocurrency is slow and transactional volume is low. But I do like that one, and I've been using that one. What I really like about it is if you hold your crypto on there, you earn passive income, like 13+% interest, just by holding. You don't actually have to stake it or lock it or anything. So I like Voyager, but there's plenty of exchanges out there. I've seen that Crypto.com is doing a promo right now where you can get $100, I think, in Crow for signing up, but you do have to stake a certain amount of Crow to get it, and I don't know what that number is. So if you don't have a Crypto.com account and you want one, you can use the link down there, and you could get up to $100 in Crow. If you want Voyager and to get that passive income, it's a $100 trade, and then you're getting $50 in Bitcoin. Let's see. Easier to reason about averages. Yeah, maybe, Ryan, but I'm not too familiar with those candlestick patterns. And I am familiar and comfortable with the ones we got on the screen right now. So I do prefer the ones that we're using. I've never used those, the other type of candles. Did he do that? What side and where? Something. What are we talking about? I'm in Chicago. Who's from Canada then? Who's from Canada? Isn't there... there's another dude with a D name that's from Canada. He sends those super stickers every once in a while. Why can't I think of his name right now? I thought it was Diddy Do That. Gosh. Speak up, you Canadian. I don't know where you're at right now, and I can't even think of your name. No, it's not Remy. I know that Remy's from... I know Remy's from Canada. Oh, the guy, he just sent it the other day. I swear it was the one where he made me go... Dun, 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 that one. And then he sends, like, the other one, and she's like... you're number one. You're number one. What do I say? Oh, no, not DD214. No, not him. Gosh, man, no, I guarantee he's from Canada. He's got a D name as well. He always sends that you're number one. You're number one. And I swear he just sent the like the little kung fu guy. Dindy James, yes. Pika on it. Dindy James, gosh. Diddy do that, and Dindy are like the same thing. That's why I was thinking it was you right now. Yes, man. AMC Trapper and Pika Power on it with that one. Yes. Remy, there you go. Dindy James, heck yeah. That's who it is. Dindy, are you in here right now? If you're in here right now, man, sorry for talking about you. We were trying to figure it out. I thought it was Diddy do that, but it's Dindy. There you go. Pika coming in first with that one. We had AMC Trapper had it right. Yes. Paul says Dindy. Yes. Right, that's what it is. Ivan is from California. Where did he go? Yeah, where's a lot of these old school guys at, man? I don't know where all these old school guys went. I'm Canadian, but it ain't me. Magic Shroom? Nope, it was not you. Yeah, Diddy. Yeah, see, Diddy and Dindy, very similar. Diddy 214, Dindy do that. Yeah, now Remy's really messing with me, man. Diddy 214, Dindy do that. That one's gonna get me there. That one's gonna get me. I got a name from Impractical Jokers. Dude, I've only watched a couple episodes of Impractical Jokers. Those guys are wild. And Esau Wu, I don't know where Esau Wu's at either. Many Worlds token. I'm still holding Many Worlds token. That dude really loved Many Worlds. I'm still holding that. It's only down like 60% from its peak, so it's not doing too bad at all. Let's see here. 7 minutes left in the stream. Heck yeah, Paul G, we're gonna make it happen. Emma D, we got the member chat going on. 2-month member chat. Heck yeah. Look, I have a fancy chat. Don't forget CERN on the 5th. What do we got going on with CERN on the 5th? I don't even know what we got going on there. What's happening with CERN on the 5th? I don't even know. CERN's delisted, man. What are we talking about here? CERN on the... No, I don't even know what's going on. CERN is delisted. What are we thinking on the 5th here? Now I gotta know. Don't forget CERN on 5th. I will not forget, Emma, but I'm not exactly sure what's going on with CERN on the 5th there. Let's see. I want to marry one for citizenship. I want to flee this crap hole. There might be something in here. Roulette wheel. I would say, statistically speaking, though, no, you're not likely to find one in here. 82%, I think like 7% in the chat, according to YouTube analytics, are female. So we're probably sitting on like 5 girls in here right now. That's all I got. Can you look at CERN turning up the Hadronic Collider and making wormholes on the 5th? Oh. Dude, are we going to like hit a black hole here on Earth and we're all going to die on the 5th? Emma D, is that what you're saying? We're going to be turning on, we're going to hit some black hole here on the 5th and we're all going to die? Oh, dude, at least we get to celebrate the 4th first. That's cool. Enjoy the fireworks. Could be the last time you get to enjoy anything, guys. We could have a nice black hole forming here on the 5th. Not concerned about that. Nice, Figa. Time's the market close today. I just want to confirm. Covector, I think it's the same time as always, man. 4 p.m. Eastern time. I do not know where you are at, but it should be 4 p.m. Eastern time, just like always. 50% capital gains on move to Portugal. Yes. Remy, I do agree on that one, man. I do agree on that one. If you're going to be sitting on some massive crypto gains, hit those gains in Portugal, please. Put us out of your put us out of our AMC misery. Yeah, dude, let's just get this black hole over with. Let's happen. Okay, so I don't know the answer. I don't really ever read up on any of that stuff. But let's just say this was some sort of a superhero movie, right? And Emma D just warned us of the apocalypse here. Let's say that on the 5th, they did turn that machine on, and they turned it on at noon, okay? And they did. Like, whatever they're trying to do did work, but I don't know if they're actually trying to create a black hole or not. But let's say that these atoms or electrons or whatever they are crashed into each other, and it did create a black hole. How long would it take for that black hole to, like, swallow up the Earth? Would we just, boop, would everything just immediately go? Or would it, like, would there be earthquakes and some sort of a huge implosion, and the atmosphere just, like, you get crushed over, like, a 30-second period? One of you guys that studies space, you get 3 minutes before the live stream's over, and you got to make it a short explanation, because none of us are sitting here and we're not physicists. So what would that look like? If they turned it on at noon and the black hole formed at noon, do we just all die, like, immediately at noon? Or is it something like it gets sucked in and then we're like, no! Like, what does that look like? Possibly never try to move particles at this speed. Let's see if we're still we're still here, but anticipate more Mandela effects. See, that's what I'm saying. You're looking at it different. I think we could all die. We just got some other effect going on. Started trying to make a portal. What if they do make a portal, but it's a black hole? Like, what happens there? Somebody help me out. We got 3 minutes left. Who here has Mullen? I do not have any Mullen auto. I wouldn't mind a portal. Things are getting very boring anyways. They are, but what if it's a black hole portal? I need to know. That would be instant, Clay. Bronson, okay, so we got one for an instant. Scott, stop scaring me. Joyce, you're like 73 years old. What are you going to be scared about anyway? I mean, it's just like, the end is nigh. Clay's hair looking good today. Hey, Blank, man. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. I'm a new member. I put some into Shiba Inu. Many are saying it will explode. What are your thoughts? Yeah, J. Roddy, I do think that it can explode. I don't think that it's going to necessarily explode as the overall market is getting beat down every day. But what I do like about Shiba Inu coin is that when it goes up, it does go up very quickly, man. With Shib Moons, I'm taking a flight to Portugal and putting it all in a bank over there. I'm going to party with Lauren in the UK, then fly back, party with Danelle PK. Remy, you might actually, like, if you really do, like, if it does explode and you do have $1 million in that, it does become a thing for you. Like, if you are sitting on a $5 million portfolio or something, just make sure, dude. Make sure you're doing it right, though, because you may have to buy, like, a little shack over in Portugal or, like, a little apartment or something and establish residence there in order to get the tax break. But why can't you do that, man? Why can't you buy a $100,000 apartment or a condo in Portugal somewhere if you're sitting on a $5 million portfolio if it's going to save you $2.5 million in taxes? Perception of a description would be insanely slow, but would almost be instant. Well, Ryan, now you're starting to mess around with time and perception here and confusing me a little bit more. I would not want it to be very slow. That would hurt. Colliding subatomic particles creates miniature black holes. However, they only last a fraction of a second and vaporize. Most theories at this point, I think we would simply move a timeline. The black hole could theoretically just alter our reality. Oh God, I don't want that to happen. If a black hole swallows Earth, life on Earth may possibly end. Source: it's wrong. They won't get off my lawn. Johnston, you're ridiculous, man. The CERN is restarting the black hole. Might do us some justice and rid the world of oxygen thieves. Pudgy, it can happen too, man. It can happen too. Clay, University of 1111 did research on this and found out that people that go into black holes enjoy it because it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Let's get started. Guys, if a black hole sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Probably be instant, since black holes bend light, and light is the fastest moving thing. That could definitely be a thing as well. Strict Hydra says buy silver. Do it. Oh, have a great day, everyone. Yes. Oxygen thieves out there. I'm not letting them take half. I called a financial advisor last week, and he said to do it. Hey, dude, I would do it. Listen, I honestly would do it too. If we do stack up, guys, I would have no problem buying a condo over in Portugal or something. You got to establish residence. Dude, let's establish residence. If you're sitting on a $10 million portfolio and you think these people are going to walk away with $6 million, no, dude, I'll buy a house in Portugal. What are you talking about? Yes, we're going to do some shout-outs, and then I got to get this unicorn going on for Emma D with the unicorn for you and me. Emma D, thank you very much for the unicorn super sticker. I'm going to do this. We got the shout-outs, and then we will be back later. Emma D. Emma D, thank you very much for the super sticker. Really appreciate that. Let's do these shoutouts, guys, and we'll be back this afternoon. Shut up. Plenty of movies on it. I'm going to watch one of those movies. Pudgy, Rid the World. See you later, my man. Paul Wright, Pika Bowers, Strict Hydra, Forgot My Cup. Peace out to you. AMC Trapper says, peace out to the Diamond-Handed Apes and the Shiba Army. Pika Power, have an awesome day. Shut up. Deuces to you, my friend. JB, see you later with the bro skull there. Pudgy, it's 1 o'clock. Wana, I did not see you in here this morning, Wana. If you're out there, Wana, I hope you have a wonderful day as well. Roulette Wheel, Derek, AMC Trapper, see you later, my man, Pudgy. Did he do that? Peace out. Shahad Hirani. Are you? No, I'm not. I actually never drank before in my entire life. Emma D, Remy, Johnston Town, Mr. Simoninho, Paul, Mr. Simon, Derek, Mr. Simon, Shahad. See you later. It is almost evening. Yes, it is almost evening, but it is morning here. Francisco, you're the best, man. Francisco, you're awesome. Michael Colley, see you later. Enjoy your day, man. Pika Pika, Mr. Simon, you guys know what time it is. If you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.